Okay, part 2 of sentence diagramming, and arguably the much more complicated part, is going to be all of the modifiers. Subject modifiers go underneath the subject. That makes sense. Because the subject is a noun, subject modifiers will be adjectives. Cool, got it. Verb modifiers go underneath the verb. All of those will be adverbs because they modify a verb. And direct object modifiers go underneath the direct object. You're picking up on the pattern here. These ones are going to be also adjectives because they modify a noun. Couple of ways you can do this wrong, meaning don't do it these ways. If you leave a big huge space in between the L shape and the horizontal line, that's not how we do it. The key thing here is actually this connection point right there. We want to make sure that this connection point connects directly to the subject, because sometimes when you have modifiers inside of modifiers, other modifiers will actually connect to whatever word is here. So you'll have an L shape, and then another L shape will come down off of that, and maybe another L shape off of that. It'll be a whole thing. Or you can have two separate words that modify some particular thing. So you might have an L shape here branching off of subject, and another L shape here also branching off of the subject. So we got to make sure that that connection point is there. If you leave that big huge gap, super wrong, we're not going to accept it. Don't leave a gap. It's got to directly connect right up to that thing. Another way you can do this wrong is if you put just the words, verb modifiers stuff down here, and you don't put an L shape. Again, that connection point is super important. If you don't have that L shape, it's not a sentence diagram, right? You're just not doing the right things. So the sentence diagram, the critical part of it is that L shape. So if you do it this way, also wrong. Yeah? Don't do it these ways. Do it the good way. Make all the L shapes. Make them connect to the things that they modify directly. Ready, set, go.